DevOps Implementation, your go-to guide. You've likely learned about every one of the advantages DevOps offers tech groups whenever it's implanted. However, how troublesome is DevOps implementation in a company that doesn't at present utilize it? The uplifting news is, with some early solutions, a considerable lot of difficult work, and bunches of correspondence, it is conceivable to carry out DevOps effectively. You can hire mobile app developers who are well-versed in implementing DevOps methodology to streamline the development process. Why implement DevOps? Before you start, you may be asking why DevOps? And what benefits could a long and possibly costly implementation project offer me? Consider DevOps an agile way to deal with the connection between your development group and your IT activities group. Those storehouses that exist presently, which keep everybody down, and bring about missed cut-off times in between departmental awful sentiments could be made a relic of past times with an effective DevOps implementation. Making a DevOps implementation plan. Since DevOps is a way to deal with working rather than something more unmistakable, it appears to be a really scary thing to attempt to carry out, isn't that so? Something fundamental to remember is that DevOps will change how your association facilitates two of its development projects and its IT tasks, and this can have a thumb-on impact across the whole labor force. 1. Beginning counsel with key partners. 2. Conclude which kind of DevOps engineers you want. 3. Make an undertaking spending plan and course of events. Ponder what you need to return from your DevOps speculation and when you could accomplish this. In the long haul, a DevOps speculation can slice your opportunity to showcase, implement hierarchical security, resolve IT issues quicker, and bring about more joyful, more associated groups that are more straightforward to oversee and bound to remain working for your association. Conclusion. To put it succinctly, the above guide, if followed perfectly to the core, can be very useful because the streamlined process goes a long way. Any top mobile app development company in the USA can help you with the best DevOps implementation for your app, website requirements.